Shazia Ilmi is joining me now on the phone line. Shazia, because my first thought would be, why would Swati Maliwal make such a call? She's an ally, a friend. She's known Arvind Kejriwal, Vibhav and everyone there like a family for years.
Yeah, but the interpersonal dynamics are such that these equations keep changing. And there is a lot of filth that goes on over there. I've been personally privy to such spectacles and things, so I will not hold anything past them. Vibhav is a nasty piece of work. He's a crook and a half. And this has happened before. Don't you remember the matter of Anshu Prakash, the former chief secretary, how he was beaten up because he refused to release funds for advertising? And they made it out to be a food and ration matter, whereas the food and civil supplies minister was not even there. They denied it, but later on, as everybody knows, Amanatullah and Jarwal were even charge sheeted for the same. So it was actually true. So I will not hold anything past them. I've known them for years, and I know the interpersonal dynamics between various members. So this is quite possible. I don't know whether Swati will make it up to prove a point, but yes. I know that Vibhav is perfectly capable of doing something like this. Arvind Kejriwal himself would not indulge in this, but he will make sure people around him. It is very crazy out there. You know, I can't tell you just how terrible the interpersonal dynamics are. They threaten each other, they hate each other. They've all gotten in this war, and now they've all become very big, you see. They have their Rajya Sabha MPs, Lok Sabha MPs, chief ministers. So this is what you see, and this is what's happening. It could be a game being played by either side. Either Swati trying to silence them into something, or something else, or Vibhav actually.
What do you think, Shazia, as a woman neta, as woman in public life, as woman who's been associated with Aam Aadmi Party earlier, that you think Swati Maliwal should do? Because we are waiting for a reaction from her, because only she can confirm if she made the call, if she actually said what she said to the police. But how do you think she will take this up?
You know, as a woman, I want to say categorically that it's actually a very misogynistic party. It's a band of boys, and their morality is extremely low. They're capable of anything. But going beyond that, I would like to say, I would not jump to conclusions because I know each one of them. I also think there could be some kind of a negotiation going on over people's places where they are. And in the newfound equation that we see Aam Aadmi Party getting to, where Arvind Kejriwal wants to take over all the control, and his wife being the main campaigner now, main person there, and would like to, you know, because he will be going back to the jail very soon on the 2nd. So I think there is something going on within. So it could be a negotiation or negotiating skill also that would be there. But yes, I want to say that Swati Maliwal has been a very close associate of Kejriwal, and has been there even before the inception of the party, even before the Anna movement, and she had a complete control over the people.
And interestingly, Shazia, I'm sure you'll remember that even Swati Maliwal has been there since the beginning, ever since India Against Corruption Day. So they've known each other for. Before that, correct. You're actually right. Before that, even the NGO and.
Yeah, I want to just tell you.
Go ahead.
Remember Arvind Kejriwal's RTI campaign and all the work they did in Sundar Nagari?
Yes, yes.
Sundar Nagari is the same place. Santosh Kohli's house is where Arvind Kejriwal had fasted for 14 days. His thing was that Anna Hazare had fasted for 13 days. I will do 1 day extra. And it was in Santosh Kohli's house that the entire thing was done. And this was in Sundar Nagari, where Arvind Kejriwal has been doing his RTI campaigns and all of that. So Swati has been a part of it ever since. And of course, we never understood as to how Santosh Kohli suddenly mysteriously disappeared. And she died in a car accident, and you know, there was no investigation whatsoever. So all kinds of murky things go on there. And I've been telling people this for the longest period, you know, and I'm so glad.
But do you think that we should wait for responses, not jump the gun if they have done it?
No, but you all know what happened at the CM's residence many years back when this former chief secretary, I mean the topmost officer, a bureaucrat in Aam Aadmi and Delhi government, how he was beaten up. And there were two members, two MLAs, Amanatullah and Jarwal, who had been charge sheeted. So this has happened before. I don't know why we appear so surprised by this.
All right, Shazia, yes.
It's a murky state of affairs out there. It's
All right,
very
strong
murky.
words there by Shazia. She says she knows too much, has seen too much. Appreciate you joining us, Shazia Elmi, on this. But all the old horses now speaking up. Kapil Mishra, who was once a minister in Delhi government or close associate of Arvind Kejriwal once, now with BJP, has also spoken on this. Listen in.
बहुत ही गंभीर बात है। राज्यसभा की सांसद, महिला आयोग की पूर्व अध्यक्ष स्वाति मालीवाल को आखिर मुख्यमंत्री के घर के अंदर से दिल्ली पुलिस को फोन क्यों करना पड़ा? सबसे पहले तो मैं ईश्वर से ये प्रार्थना करता हूं कि ये खबर झूठी हो। किसी मुख्यमंत्री के घर में एक महिला राज्यसभा सांसद के ऊपर हिंसा और अत्याचार होने की ऐसी कोई घटना इस देश में पहले कभी नहीं हुई है। तो काश ये खबर झूठी हो, लेकिन अगर ये सच है और विभव ने स्वाति मालीवाल को मारा है, पिटाई की है स्वाति मालीवाल की, और इतनी हद तक बात पहुंच गई कि स्वाति मालीवाल को पुलिस बुलानी पड़ी, मुख्यमंत्री के घर के अंदर से फोन करना पड़ा, तो ये बहुत बड़ा अपराध है, ये पाप है और इसके जिम्मेदार केजरीवाल होंगे, क्योंकि नौकर ने मारा है। विभव एक नौकर है, लेकिन नौकर ने मालिक के कहने पर मारा है, तो हिंसा का असली अपराधी खुद अरविंद केजरीवाल होंगे। दिल्ली पुलिस को इसकी जांच करनी चाहिए, अपराधियों को पकड़ना चाहिए। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी, अगर उनके साथ ऐसा अपराध हुआ है, ईश्वर करे ये झूठ हो, लेकिन अगर हुआ है तो वो अकेली नहीं है, हम लोग सब उनके साथ हैं और इस मामले में उनको न्याय मिले ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे। बहुत ही गंभीर बात है